Hello my beautiful Procreate friends, here is the closed beta for Procreate 5.2, and one of the exciting new features that's going to be coming is PDF import. So you can send PDFs directly to your iPad and open them in Procreate. And the super cool thing is this new feature called Page Assist, which means we can have multi-layered documents inside Procreate. So if you're filling out a form, for example, like here, that I am, you can easily edit it right over something, and I can fill it out by hand. So that's a super cool feature because now you can edit documents, you can create multi-page comics or storyboards and easily edit them in Procreate. And you can even add a new page. This is a pretty cool feature. And if you come into the Actions panel and then along to Canvas, you have the option to turn the Page Assist on or off. So if you turn it off, all of the pages combine into layers which are all together, as you see here. And that is the PDF import in Procreate 5.2. I hope you liked it.